learned a lot over the weekend, both about the vaccines and how well they work against these different variants, as well as about the variants themselves in the United States. And let's start on that front. There was a big study that was released in a preprint over the weekend, not yet peer-reviewed, where they sequenced more than 200 genomes of these variants from B117 that's associated with the UK. And what they found is that it probably entered the United States multiple times, 8 times, they said, going back as far as November 2020. It could have come here with travel over Thanksgiving and Christmas, they suggested. Now, they say this could be 35 to 45% more transmissible, and it's doubling every 1.5 weeks here in the U.S. They project, like the CDC, this strain will become the dominant strain in many U.S. states by March. From their sequencing work, they estimate it's making up about 2.1% of overall cases in the U.S. right now, about 2% in California, and 4.5% in Florida. So they say that we really need to focus on the things that work, social distancing, masking, and getting vaccinations out there as quickly as possible. The good news is that vaccines in trials that we've seen so far have proven to be effective against this B117 variant. We saw that with the Novavax vaccine, where it was 86% effective against that strain, 96% against older strains, but went down to 49 to 60% against the South African variant. And we are seeing that these vaccines are seeing less efficacy in clinical trials against the South African variant. New data over the weekend from AstraZeneca and Oxford in South Africa showed just minimal activity against mild disease in South Africa, where that B1351 variant is prevalent, guys. So that is raising some concerns about these vaccines, and it even caused South Africa to stop the rollout of the AstraZeneca vaccine as they get more information there. They have not yet been able to assess how well it will work against severe disease. Encouragingly, the J&J vaccine did show strong efficacy against severe disease in South Africa, even when it showed less efficacy against more moderate disease in that area.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.